ममा एंड अमायरा एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट लेकर आए हैं एक दूसरे के लिए। Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So, आज ममा लाई है एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट। एक्चुअली ममा नहीं, बड़ी मम्मा लेकर आई है एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट अमायरा के लिए, which is a very beautiful gift. So let's unbox it.
Unbox it.
Open.
Open.
1, 2, 3 and go. It's a good gift. Okay, so let's make it. So guys, we have got this wonderful gift from Amayra's बड़ी मम्मा और आज मैं अमायरा को रेडी करूंगी इसके साथ लिपस्टिक। दिस इज लिपस्टिक। मैं आपको रेडी करती हूँ। अमायरा बैंड्स Can you give me this hand? Rings, Amayra. Show me your hand. Wow. Wow. Nail polish. Wow. Wow, Amayra.
Baby.
Perfume. Thank you. Nail polish.
Yes.
Wow.
मम्मी आएगी।
So beautiful, Amayra, look. So guys, I think Amayra is loving her gift. So thank you very much for watching our video, for liking our video and for loving us. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Happy Amayra. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.